Do you think internally, am I doing it right? Will it manifest for me? Can I have this or that? If you are facing these doubts, then this video is definitely for you. I will show you why such questions arise within you and how to tackle them. The answer is very simple and straightforward, but stay with me till the end so that you can absorb it all. I know you all are doing something internally throughout the day. Either you are doing affirmations, conducting your inner speech, visualizing, or just feeling something internally. All these activities that you are performing within yourself are leaving some impressions on you, but sometimes you wonder, am I doing it correctly or not? You start feeling doubtful about it because, in some way, you are comparing yourself. I will show you how you do it. You can observe and confirm this easily after watching this video. This mainly happens when other people share their success stories by applying the law. They share their stories in the form of videos and posts, and beneath them, some of you comment and ask, how many times did you do it? Which techniques have you used? And how long did it take for you? When you ask such questions, you will receive a response from someone who is in a completely different situation than you, whose specific person is different, and whose desire is different. But, still, you want to know. Well, knowing is good, it's completely fine. The problem happens when some people take it as a point that they have to reach. Suppose that person used the guided meditation and imagined the scene of a wish being fulfilled for 7 days straight, and then they got the result in the next 5 days. While listening to this, they unconsciously think that they have to do it for 7 days straight, and then their specific person will come running after them and hug them in the next 5 days. This starts creating a comparison in their mind. Now some of you try to do it for 7 days straight, but you don't witness any movement in the next 10 days. This raises concerns about whether I'm doing it correctly. Furthermore, as a result of comparing yourself to others, you will begin to have doubts about your imaginal acts. Even if you imagined it within yourself, you would start thinking, how would that other person have done it? Am I doing it correctly or not? Doing all of this will keep you far from your desire, as you will not feel satisfied when doing the imaginary acts. Now, this does not mean that you should be scared of listening to the success stories. Well, success stories are great because they motivate you. But always keep this in mind when listening to a success story. The person who told you their story is an individual who is unique, whose life experiences, circumstances, situations, specific person, financial situation, and everything else is unique as compared to yours. Their desires are unique too. You cannot know what goes on internally within them. All you know is how they are externally. You cannot compare your journey to anyone else's. So, it is not right to make them a point to reach when manifesting your desire. I hope you are getting what I am saying. Who knows if you can manifest a specific person in 2 days, or even in 1. All you have to do is imagine yourself in the state of having your wish fulfilled. Manifesting something requires a state of satisfaction within you. You have to feel satisfied with your imagined act, and that will happen when you repeatedly maintain the state of having it within you. Repetition will help you embody the state of wish fulfillment and make it your dominant state. The second thing that goes wrong sometimes is that you consume information about the do's and don'ts of manifesting. You forget that whoever is sharing with you the do's and don'ts is basing them on their experience of using the law. The only thing you have to do is remain in the state of wish fulfillment, assuming the sensation of a wish fulfilled. The only thing that you don't have to do is think against your desire and contradict your state of wish fulfillment by imagining the opposite of your state of wish fulfillment. Whoever you are listening to, whether it is me or anyone else, is only telling you their experiences. They are only telling you what they have experienced or what they know. So, you can use it if it resonates with you, or you can ignore it. But don't try to believe it or disbelieve it. Just experience it and know for yourself. So, instead of jumping to conclusions, try it in your life and see if anything happens. See if it is working for you or not. Some people manifest with just visualization, some get it through affirmations, and others get it through guided meditations. Now the method is just used to reach the state of wish fulfillment. It is not like any particular method is fast or slow or correct or incorrect. It is just based on the person who is using it. The goal is to always achieve and maintain a state of wish fulfillment. So, listen to everyone, but use whatever feels right to you. Your inner wisdom is always guiding you. Listen to it. It is there for a reason. This is your journey. You cannot compare yourself with me or anyone else. It is very simple to manifest something. You have been doing it unconsciously all along. Reality is simply existing. What you perceive as reality is always presented to you based on your assumptions about it. It's as if you're wearing colored glasses. If you're wearing brown-colored glasses, everything appears brown. If you wear blue-colored glasses, everything will appear to be a shade of blue. Always remember to imagine yourself in the state of having your wish fulfilled and to think of yourself as having your desire. The only way to prevent it from happening is to think in the opposite direction, against it, and that it is not possible for you. Doubts arise throughout the day. Your logical mind will always try to convince you that what you want is not physically present, and you will begin to doubt the things. But don't fight it. Simply view it or affirm that you already have it. Look at it through your inner eyes. Everything is happening in your favor. Countless things are happening in your reality that you are not even aware of. Through your physical senses, you can only become aware of what you can see, hear, smell, touch, or taste. Your physical senses are limited, so you are limited. But you have internal senses too. You can create a heaven or hell within you by using them. With this, I am sure your doubts are cleared. Subscribe because I post these videos regularly. I will meet you with another golden nugget. Happy manifesting.